Hello students, today we are going to discuss about in which condition the articles will not be used with nouns. Okay, so let us see the rules. Omission means removal of the articles or where we should not use the articles. Okay, so first one is before uncountable nouns and abstract nouns. Now you know abstract noun means. Okay, childhood, adulthood, love, anger, faith, all these are the abstract nouns and they cannot be touched. That can be feel only. Okay, so with such abstract nouns we cannot use articles. And with uncountable nouns, so what are the uncountable nouns? The nouns which cannot be counted in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, they are uncountable. Just for example, if we will take example of gold, 1 gold, 2 gold, 3 gold, can you say like that? No, you can say 1 gram gold, 2 gram gold, 3 gram gold, like that. That it means we need the unit. The substances which are counted in with units, they are uncountable, we can say. If I will say tables, so 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, I can say like that. But with gold, with water, I cannot count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So whatever substances need units and that cannot be counted in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, they can be counted with unit only. So such substances, such materials, such metals are categorized in uncountable nouns. So let us see some of the example. Honesty is the best policy. See here, honesty. With this honesty, I haven't used any article. Then gold is precious metal. So here with gold, I haven't used article. Got it? Sorry. Then second rule is before plural countable nouns. Plural countable nouns. So whatever nouns are there, if they are used in a singular form, then we can use articles. But if they are used in plural form, then in plural form we cannot use articles. Just for example, we can say in sentence the child whenever requirement, but we cannot say the children. Okay, so whatever plural nouns are there, with that plural nouns we cannot use, mostly we cannot use articles. Got it? So for example, children, men, birds, women, okay, like that, elephants, monkeys. So with them, with these plural nouns we cannot use articles, so keep in mind. Okay, then before names of meals, जो अलग अलग वक्त का खाना होता है, dinner, lunch, breakfast, so with that we should not use article. Okay, so that is what before names of meals we should not use article, just like dinner, lunch, breakfast, okay, supper, like that. Then next rule is before school, colleges, church, hospital, prison, bed, but where main purpose of place will be given, whatever things we are doing regularly, so at that time we should not use articles. But let us take example. I went to the school yesterday. Is it correct? Yes. See, if we will take some examples, he goes to school regularly. He goes to school regularly. You know, this is the regular activity. Okay, there is a purpose why he is going to school, to take the education. But I can say the school is near to my home. What? The school is near to my home. Okay, but I cannot say I goes to the school regularly. because there is a main purpose. Okay, so this is what the difference. Okay, I went to the hospital to see my uncle. See, generally we are going to hospital for the treatment, but if that purpose is changed, the main purpose is changed. Now I am not going for treatment. For what I am going? I am going to see my uncle, and that's why here we can say I went to the hospital to see my uncle, but she has gone to hospital. Here we should not use the, because surely she went for treatment, or her purpose is not mentioned. That it means in general we can say she goes for treatment. Okay, and that's why we can say here there is no use of article. Got it? Then before most proper nouns, whatever special names, proper nouns are there, Mangesh, Rajesh, then Radha, Europe, Sri Lanka, India, okay, Bangladesh. So all these are the proper nouns. With these proper nouns we should not use articles, but whatever unique things are there and they are proper nouns, then also there we have to use we can say articles. Just for example, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is unique in itself, so that's why you can say the Taj Mahal. Okay, so your doubts are clear? I think yes, your doubts are clear here. Then in certain phrases consist of transitive verb followed by its object. Transitive verb means जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, किसी सब्जेक्ट के काम का असर किसी दूसरे चीज पे होती है, उसके ऊपर नहीं, उसकी एक्शन किसी दूसरे चीज के ऊपर होती है तब. So with them we cannot use. Just for example, to catch fire, this is verb. Okay, this is transitive verb and this is the object. This is transitive verb and this is object. So like that. And then in certain phrases consisting of preposition followed by its object. अभी preposition के बाद क्या रहेगा? डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा. Just for example, at home, by night, on earth, in town. Okay, like this. So like this, these are the rules, and these rules have to be keep in mind when to use articles and when not to use articles. These both the rules are very, very important. Now let us see next point, that is repetition of the article, when there would be repetition of article. So first one is when two or more descriptive adjectives qualifying the same noun are connected by and the article is used before the first adjective only. So whenever there are two adjectives, okay, which are coming with and, okay, so at that time before the first adjective you can use the, but not with the second adjective. So just for example, the red and white house. See, पहला एडजेक्टिव रेड है तो मैंने पहले के साथ द रेड यूज किया, मगर दूसरे के बाद साथ द वाइट यूज किया क्या? नहीं. दो एडजेक्टिव है और उनके बीच में अगर एंड है, सो एट दैट टाइम फर्स्ट एडजेक्टिव के साथ हमको द को यूज करना है, ना कि विथ सेकेंड. गॉट इट? देन व्हेन टू और मोर एडजेक्टिव्स क्वालिफाई डिफरेंट नाउन expressed or understood, the article is used before each adjective as. So just for example, the inner and the outer walls were both strongly dependent. See here, these adjectives, that is inner and the outer, these adjectives are qualifying the nouns, the different nouns we can say. Okay, and that's why here we have to use the for both. So how the inner and the outer walls were both strongly dependent, like that is the example. Then when two or more connected nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is ordinarily used before the first only. Okay, so just for example, they dismiss the secretary and accountant. See, I used with the secretary and later I haven't used. When two or more connected nouns refer to different person or thing, different person के बारे में अगर है, तो at that time the article is used before each, सभी के साथ. Just for example, they dismiss the secretary and the accountant. Okay. Then fifth is in expressing a comparison. If two nouns refer to the same person, two nouns same person के बारे में या thing के बारे में अगर आए, the article is used before the first noun only. So let us see example. Wellington was a greater soldier than statesman. So a greater and statesman. तो statesman के लिए हमने आर्टिकल का यूज नहीं किया, मगर अ ग्रेटर के लिए हमने पहले एडजेक्टिव के लिए हमने उसका यूज किया. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव सीन इन दिस आर्टिकल लेसन. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर लेसन. दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.